Hey everyone, this is my Dodge ProMaster 3500 high roof extended, and today I'm going to be working on insulation because I have insulation everywhere else in the van. I just don't have it where I installed my window. So for cutting this type of insulation, you can either use a putty knife or you can actually pick up a knife that's meant for insulation. Here's the knife. Here's the putty knife. Putty knife actually cuts a little smoother, but with the knife you actually have more control. Alright, so we've got all the pieces set in, and now we have the worst part about the whole process, the great stuff. Great stuff seals in all the cracks and holes, and it holds the pieces to the wall of the van, but it gets everywhere and it makes a giant mess. You should have seen when I installed all the stuff in the ceiling and it was dripping down because it was summer and it just made a horrendous mess. Anyway, I'm gonna put the camera down and get recording this. And it says on here, always wear gloves. Listen to it. And I would recommend to wear clothing that you don't care if it gets ruined. And the stuff comes out just like that, and honestly it looks like silly string or cheese in a can. So after you spray it on and you get it where you want it, you want to hold that piece in place while the stuff solidifies. You're going to want to be quick about it, because if this tube gets solid, you're not going to be able to squeeze any more out of the can. I'm going to try to show this as it comes out. And after you let go of the trigger, more will come out. So always put it where you don't care if some drips out. Now we're just gonna follow anywhere there's a cap. So that's how you do insulation in a van. If you want to see more, please subscribe.